Hello, very good morning students. So welcome back to Agdil's Enhance Your Career by Developing Your Learning Skills. So most of the students ask me about PGCT and how about tomorrow's exam and how will we handle our paper. So there are some rules and minute important things which you all have to follow. So let's get into our detail with our Karnataka PGCT 2023 examination. Previous video I've already told about what are the subjects and what you have to prepare with, but for the upcoming examination what you'll have to prepare yourself is with our necessary documents. First most important thing being our hall ticket. So here we have an example hall ticket which is mentioned up here. Please take a Xerox of it. Take at least two Xerox, wherein even if one doesn't, if it's torn or if it's not useful, you can go with the other. So go with the most important thing called hall ticket first. Take a printout of it, and most of the students got confused and asked about gazetted officer's signature. So that is there for counseling. So about counseling I will be telling you in detail, but for exam you just have to take the hall ticket. But along with the hall ticket you will need necessary documents like Aadhaar card. It can be either one of this. It can be Aadhaar, it can be passport, it can be driving license, it can also be the uh, PAN card. So these necessary documents you will have to take. It's not all of these. You can only take either PAN card, you can take driving license or passport or Aadhaar. Okay, you can take either one of them along with your hall ticket. Moving ahead, please do not carry hall tickets because please do not take calculators, because scientific as well as the normal calculators are not accepted in the PGCET exam. Moving ahead, do not wear a watch, because watch is also not permitted. It can be a normal watch or it can also be a scientific watch or a smart watch. Please do not carry any of the watches, because you will be having a clock in the examination hall. You can refer to the same. Moving ahead, no to mobile phones. So do not carry mobile phones or any of the Bluetooth devices. As of today's world, we have lots of Bluetooth devices. Even with our pen, with our marker, with our whiteners, we have lots of Bluetooth devices. So even ear devices, please do not carry any of them. Keep it outside the examination hall or you need not carry them into the hall. Moving ahead, please do not wear a mask. COVID times have gone nowadays, so please do not wear masks. Please do not cover your face. Do not wear any other item which covers your face. Also other parts of your body like wearing a cap, wearing a muffler, all of that is not required. Please go without covering your face. Moving ahead, about your outfit choices, do not wear full sleeve outfits, especially for boys as well as girls. Do not wear full sleeves outfits, and you can comfortably wear any kind of outfit which is suitable for you, but do not cover it completely. Okay, and shoes, most probably shoes is not much preferred in this such entrance exam. So do not use the boots or the shoes. You can wear sandals or slippers which is suitable for your outfit, not shoes. And about the jewelry, please do not fill yourself with jewelry and go into the exam hall. Except for Mangal Sutra, do not wear any other jewelry which is adding on to your outfits. And basic jewelry like studs or anything very minimal can be worn, but not heavy jewelry or nothing more than that. About the do's and don'ts in the examination hall, you will be getting an OMR sheet. So let me be a little clear about OMR sheet. In the first bell, you will have time to fill the OMR sheet. Fill the OMR sheet with your the hall ticket details and write about your personal information and all of that. As soon as the second bell starts, you will have to write with our 2 hours examination for the PGCET. So that is how the examination timing is. Moving ahead, do not attend the exam, like if it's at 2:30, do not go to the examination hall at 2:30 sharp. Make sure you are at the examination location 1 hour prior to the exam timings. So most probably MBA students are starting with the exam at 2:30. So please be there at least at 1:45, because the train delays and then the bus delays, the cab delays, all of these reasons are not applicable here. Make sure you reach the location earlier. And why earlier? Because you will have 10 minutes in prior to fill your OMR sheets, and the first bell, before the first bell, you will have to get inside the examination hall. And about the OMR sheet is only for completing your details, and you will have to fill it up like this. So please circle one bubble, not more than one bubble. Do not skip any questions, because you might get grace marks. There is no negative marking here. And this this is do's actually. And the working always carry one additional A4 size sheet with you. You can do the working there. You will also get a space for completing your rough working, so that is fine. So this is actually do's. Don'ts is circling more than one bubble and then writing in the OMR sheet. Make sure you don't write in the OMR sheet. If you write, the whole exam will be cancelled. Moving ahead, for your exam, please carry only ballpoint pens. Only ballpoint pens. And most preferably, we would prefer the ballpoint pens in either black in color or either the dark blue, which we use now. So most preferably, I would suggest you all to take black in color, because it's more easier for circling the bubbles. It's going to highlight the OMR sheet. And do not use a gel pen, and do not use a ink pen. Only reason, it might lead to smudging, and OMR will not accept gel and ink pen. Do not use them. So this is about what you will have to do for tomorrow. So prepare well, students. I hope you're all prepared. All the best for your exam.